the best technologies for the future. Welcome back to Whizord, where we dive into the exciting world of future technologies. The future is zooming towards us faster than a rocket, and it's bringing mind-blowing advancements that will revolutionize our lives and even save the planet from catastrophe. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a wild ride through the coolest tech innovations out there. In this tech-packed world, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the constant flood of mind-boggling inventions, from AI algorithms that can create stunning graphics and write poetry to robots that can read your thoughts and 3D printed eyeballs that will make your jaw drop. The possibilities seem endless. The future is approaching faster than you would imagine. These new technologies will alter the way we live, care for our bodies, and assist us in preventing a global catastrophe. The present world is one where technology advances at an unstoppable rate. Sometimes it seems like there are new inventions and technologies that will permanently alter our futures every single day. But it is easy to lose sight of the incredible ways in which the world is developing amid the constant barrage of announcements about brand new, massive technological advancements and cool gadgets. But wait, there's more. We've curated a list of the most intriguing emerging technologies just for you. Brace yourself for the mind-bending wonders that lie ahead. First up, let's talk about necrobotics. Sounds spooky, right? Well, it's not just the stuff of horror movies. Scientists at Rice University are exploring the concept of turning the dead into robots. Yes, you heard that right. They've transformed a spider into a gripping robot by pumping air into it. It's like something out of an Einsteinian dream. Next on our list are sand batteries. Who knew that simple sand could hold the key to massive energy storage? Finnish experts have cracked the code using wind and solar energy to heat up sand and store that energy for the long term. It's a revolutionary way to power our buildings and reduce our carbon footprint. Now get ready to feel the virtual touch with eSkin. While we can already connect visually and verbally through technology, transmitting touch over long distances has been a challenge. But fear not. Engineers at the City University of Hong Kong have developed a wireless soft eSkin that can transmit hugs and touches over the internet. It's like having a long-distance friend right at your fingertips. Automatic language recognition. The latest online innovation that is sweeping the nation is natural language processing. Although you have probably seen it in action in Google's autocomplete feature, or when your cell phone provides an estimation of what you are trying to type, it is actually capable of much more intelligent things. With its picture generator, DALL-E 2, OpenAI, a firm at the vanguard of artificial intelligence, first took the internet by storm. Now it's back, developing ChatGPT, a chatbot that can write poetry from scratch, easily explain complicated ideas, and carry on lengthy discussions as if it were a real person. The GPT-3 program, which powers ChatGPT, was trained on billions of text instances before being taught how to construct sentences that make sense. A potential application of AI is ChatGPT. It has shown its capacity to create whole original websites, write lengthy books, and even make jokes, but it obviously hasn't yet grasped humor. Hold on to your seats because we're about to launch into orbit with spin launch. Forget conventional rockets. This groundbreaking technology uses kinetic energy to catapult satellites into space at mind-blowing speeds. It's a game changer that promises to save fuel and infrastructure by a whopping 70%. NASA and Spin Launch are already collaborating to make this a reality. Vertical farming. As the global population continues to grow, ensuring food security becomes increasingly crucial. That's where vertical farming comes into play. By utilizing vertical space and advanced cultivation techniques, vertical farms can produce a significant amount of food with a smaller footprint. These indoor farms employ controlled environments, LED lighting, and hydroponics to optimize plant growth. With the ability to grow crops year-round closer to urban centers, vertical farming has the potential to provide fresh and sustainable food for a rapidly urbanizing world. Now let's talk about xenotransplantation, a medical frontier that might sound straight out of science fiction. The idea of implanting animal organs like pig hearts into humans is already making waves. Although it's still in the early stages, this procedure has the potential to save countless lives. It's a bold step towards a future where animal hearts beat in human chests. Electronic twins that monitor your health. People are able to walk into the medical bay and have every part of them digitally scanned for symptoms of illness and injury in Star Trek, in which many of our ideas for future technology first appeared. The creators of QBio claim that by doing so in real life, health outcomes would be improved and the workload of physicians would be reduced. The U.S. business has developed a scanner that can detect hundreds of indicators in only 1 hour, including hormone levels, fat deposits in the liver, signs of inflammation, and various malignancies. It plans to utilize this information to create a digital twin or 3D digital representation of a patient's body, which can be followed over time and modified with each new scan. Jeff Katitz, CEO of QBio, expects it will usher in a new age of preventive, personalized treatment in which the enormous volumes of data gathered will not only assist physicians in prioritizing patients who need to be seen most immediately, but also in the development of more advanced methods of sickness diagnosis. Check out this interview with him. Art lovers rejoice. AI is not only mastering tasks like a pro, but also creating art that can rival human creativity. OpenAI's DALL-E software can generate stunning graphics just from spoken inputs. Want a dog wearing a cowboy hat singing in the rain? DALL-E will bring that unique picture to life. The possibilities are endless, from creating art exhibits to revolutionizing internet memes. But what about reading minds? Well, robotic brain readers are making incredible strides. Researchers at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Lausanne, have developed a brain-computer interface that allows tetraplegic patients to communicate with the world. Using a robot arm, brain signals are decoded and translated into movements. This technology has the potential to transform the lives of those with limited mobility. Smartwatches powered by sweat. Researchers at the University of Glasgow have created a brand new kind of flexible supercapacitor that stores energy by using sweat in place of the electrolytes present in traditional batteries. It is strong enough to withstand 4,000 cycles of the many flexes and bends it would experience in usage, and it can be completely recharged with as little as 20 microliters of fluid. In order for the device to function, polyester cellulose fabric is covered with a thin layer of a polymer that serves as the electrode for the supercapacitor. Both positive and negative ions in the sweat contact the surface of the polymer when it is absorbed by the fabric, causing an electrochemical process that releases energy. The head of the bendable electronics and sensing technologies best group at the University of Glasgow's James Watt School of Engineering, Professor Ravinder Dahiya, claims that while conventional batteries are now more affordable and accessible than ever before, they are frequently made from environmentally harmful materials. This makes them difficult to properly dispose of and possibly dangerous in wearable technology, where a malfunctioning battery might spill poisonous substances on skin. What we've been able to achieve for the first time is demonstrate that human perspiration offers a genuine chance to completely get rid of those harmful compounds with outstanding charging and discharging efficiency. Say goodbye to traditional bone replacements because 3D printed bones are here. Ossiform, a leading medical 3D printing company, is using tricalcium phosphate to create patient-specific implants. These incredible bones can be printed based on an MRI scan and seamlessly integrate with the body, allowing for a full restoration of function. It's a marvel of modern medicine. Get ready to enter the world of smart cities. With the rise of urbanization, cities are becoming smarter, more interconnected, and more sustainable. Advanced technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analytics are being utilized to enhance infrastructure, optimize resource management, and improve the quality of life for residents. Imagine living in a city where traffic flows smoothly, energy is efficiently utilized, and public services are seamlessly integrated for a seamless urban experience. Speaking of energy, let's delve into fusion power. Fusion has long been hailed as the holy grail of clean and virtually limitless energy. Scientists and engineers around the world are making significant strides in harnessing the power of fusion reactions, which mimic the energy-producing processes of the sun. Projects like ITER, the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, aim to achieve a sustained fusion reaction that can provide a sustainable and environmentally friendly energy source for the future. Green funerals. As people face the realities of the problem of climate change, sustainable living is becoming more and more important. But what about environmentally friendly deaths? Death is often a carbon-intensive process, leaving one last mark on the environment. For instance, a cremation is said to emit 400 kilograms of CO2 into the environment. So, what is a greener course of action? You could be composting in the U.S. state of Washington. The presence of bark, dirt, straw, and other materials in the burial chambers facilitates the natural decomposition of the bodies. Your corpse decomposes into soil that may be used in a garden or forest after 30 days. According to Recompose, the procedure only uses 1/8 of the CO2 that cremations produce. Fungi are used in alternative technologies. In 2019, the startup Coeo buried the late actor Luke Perry while he was wearing a unique mushroom suit. The manufacturer claims that their product, which is created with mushrooms and other microbes, helps with decomposition and neutralizes poisons that are often released when a person decays. The majority of alternate methods for disposing of human corpses after death do not depend on cutting-edge technology. Rather, they are just awaiting widespread adoption. Alkaline hydrolysis is another example, which entails the breakdown of the body into its chemical constituents over the course of a 6-hour procedure in a pressurized chamber. It is permitted in a number of U.S. jurisdictions and emits fewer pollutants than more conventional techniques. In the field of transportation, self-driving vehicles are poised to revolutionize the way we commute. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Amazon are developing and testing autonomous cars, trucks, and even drones. These vehicles have the potential to increase road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and enhance mobility for individuals who are unable to drive. The future of transportation is autonomous, and we're already witnessing the first steps toward that reality. Energy storing bricks. The red bricks used to construct homes may now store energy thanks to technological advancements. Researchers at Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri, have discovered a method that can turn affordable and widely available construction material into smart bricks that can store energy like batteries. The scientists assert that walls formed of these bricks could store a substantial amount of energy and can be recharged hundreds of thousands of times within an hour, despite the fact that the study is still in the proof of concept stage. The scientists created a process to turn red bricks into a specific kind of energy storage device known as a supercapacitor. In order to achieve this, conducting coatings known as pedot were applied to samples of burnt bricks. These coatings subsequently turned the fired bricks into energy-storing electrodes by allowing them to permeate through their porous structure. The red pigment in the bricks, iron oxide, aided in the process, according to the researchers. Now let's dive into the realm of quantum computing. Quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at an unprecedented speed, far surpassing the capabilities of classical computers. While still in its early stages, quantum computing holds immense potential for solving complex problems in fields like cryptography, drug discovery, optimization, and climate modeling. As research and development in this area continue, we can expect groundbreaking advancements that will reshape multiple industries. Energy from nothing. The École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne in Switzerland has developed a working prototype of a system that can generate hydrogen fuel from atmospheric water. The gadget, which was designed to resemble leaves, is constructed of semi-conducting materials that capture solar energy and use it to create hydrogen gas from atmospheric water molecules. The gas might then possibly be transformed into liquid fuels for use. In the world of healthcare, telemedicine, and remote patient monitoring are becoming increasingly prevalent. Advancements in telecommunications and digital health technologies enable healthcare professionals to remotely diagnose, monitor, and treat patients, particularly those in remote or underserved areas. This approach improves access to healthcare, reduces costs, and enhances patient outcomes. From virtual doctor consultations to wearable devices that track vital signs, the future of healthcare is increasingly connected and patient-centric. Last but not least, let's not forget about the exciting field of space exploration. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading the charge in commercial space travel and colonization efforts. With plans to establish human settlements on Mars and return to the moon, we are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration. These endeavors not only expand our understanding of the universe, but also open up possibilities for extraterrestrial resource utilization and the eventual colonization of other celestial bodies. The future is full of awe-inspiring technological advancements that will shape the way we live, work, and interact with the world. From mind-bending robotics to clean energy breakthroughs, each innovation brings us closer to a brighter and more interconnected future. From necrobotics to quantum computing, e-skin to xenotransplantation, and AI artistry to space tourism, the future is bursting with innovation and possibilities. These advancements will shape the way we live, work, and interact in the years to come. So buckle up and get ready for a future that's beyond our wildest imaginations. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the wonders of technology. And there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of future technologies. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to embrace the wonders of tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, you will love the last one you missed. Check it out now. See you soon.